So my name is Xander Groenewegen. I'm heading up the Canon Global Services team. Canon Global Services is responsible for working with our international and global accounts. So today's discussion has been about digital transformation, but especially focused on information security. I think it's not only about cloud technology or business transformation. The challenge global businesses have is that they are spread across the world and they have different cultures and different countries and different regions. So also to manage the different cultures in the different regions and maybe different laws will have an impact on how they operate.
My name is Tickler and I'm the Chief Technology Evangelist at NTware. So NTware and Canon have an incredibly close collaboration. NTware is a daughter company of Canon, and that gives us access to all the brains up in Tokyo that allow us to work together to build better technology for the future. So for a company to move to the cloud, the first thing to do is to have a plan of where you want to get to. Look at your existing infrastructure, look at how you want to move forward and what is best for your environment. Where are servers still needed? Where can I go fully to the cloud? And where do I need to have a hybrid approach of part of one and part of another? So Uniflow is a print management system. It provides document accounting, secure printing, mobile printing, and secure scanning to Canon devices around the world. It's important for customers to be able to use a print management system such as Uniflow to gain control of what people are using inside their network, to gain control of their costs, to understand security, and how to move that forward into the future.
So I'm Yohann, I'm Global Solution Architect. I'm working for Canon Europe at the Global Services Division. My work is to help my customer to implement global solution in order to support the end user during their digital transformation. So today we talked about the cloud and the impact for our customers, how their digital transformation is impacted by cloud solution and how with Uniflow Online we can support our customer by providing them innovative feature that will support their end user business. The key differentiator between Canon and other providers in order to support global business is about the Canon presence worldwide. We are a very large company, but also the capacity we have to use our innovation in some area of the market, like what we're doing in imaging, in order to support other business like the printing and the digital business. So I think a strong integration, a strong link between the hardware, software and services will help customers to solve their digital transformation problem. What customers are realizing is printers are not just a device in the corner. They need to consider printer as part of their infrastructures. That means they need to secure these devices as they are securing their workstation or server.
I'm Quentin Taylor, I'm Director of Information Security here at Canon EMEA. So the event we ran today focused in on security, but also all of the other topics that surround print. And it's so important that we ensure that our customers understand not just the risks that they might be facing, but also the solutions that we have that can help them mitigate and manage those risks. One of the toughest challenges that global businesses have is that of scale. Things such as patching that sounds so easy when you think about just install the patches on the PC, when you start to run at scale become very, very, very challenging. And so today I was talking about some of the real security basics. So some of the most common ways that information is leaked is via some kind of criminal act, some criminal act of either malware in a company or some criminal act of hacking. Now that's not to say that the companies are not liable for the breach, they obviously are. And so by understanding what data you've got where and what your risk profile is around that data, you can start to better address those risks that you have in holding your customers' data. So in terms of where an enterprise should invest in 2020, my strongest recommendations would be in people. Equipment is great to have, but it's people who are going to operate that equipment. Make sure you've got the right people employed in your information security division to ensure that you can react and respond to any kind of incident.
I hope our global clients will see Canon as a trustworthy partner, and I hope that we show them that we are consistent in our capabilities, our services and our deliveries. If clients would describe us, I think they would say that we're trustworthy and we deliver what we promise, which for me is very important.